Hey, what's up?
Hello.
My name's Clayton J.
I'm Allie.
And guess what, guys? You guys look behind me. I'm guessing you guys are thinking we're out of Iowa. We are actually still in Iowa. We're only like an hour and 30 minutes away from our house. And we've never seen this place before. TikTok showed us this place. Look how freaking cool this is. Damn, this is awesome. That is awesome. I forgot where we are. We're like at like Clear Lake or something. Look at that. This is awesome. This is gorgeous. Look at all those boats. Wow, this is awesome. I think this is the best lake we've ever seen in Iowa so far. Don't you?
I do. It's really pretty. Do we need sunscreen?
Up to you.
There's no sun.
There's still sunbeams and shit.
Play ball or anything, I just want to walk around, like out there.
Yeah, I feel ya. All right, guys, we're going onto the dock to jump now.
Oh, Clay.
What? I want to see. There's the beach from here.
What?
I'm just showing them the beach from here. All right, go. You're jumping first. You're scared?
I am scared, dead ass. Are we sure that I won't get hurt? Like,
No, you won't get
you
hurt.
showed me TikTok videos. Okay.
You're not gonna get hurt.
You showed me TikTok videos of people jumping when it's too early.
What? Ellison, we cannot. I just jumped off this already. I did a front flip off this already.
Down there.
Yeah, go down there. No, we're going down there where they are.
Oh.
I don't know.
Actually, should I just put this down there already?
No, just jump.
I'll put it down there.
Oh my god.
Okay, ready?
Yep. Get onto your floaty. Get onto your floaty.
What?
I said get your floaty.
Might be.
Here.
Well, give me a second. I don't want to drop your phone.
Hey, you're getting really wet.
Me? I need to get to you.
Okay. Okay, don't drop it.
I'll make sure I'm holding on to it at all times.
Yeah. Hey, hold it by the real phone. Not by the case. Okay.
Now what?
Can you see me?
Yeah.
Well, not right here.
Oh, where are you jumping?
Or you want me to jump over you?
No. Where are you jumping?
Can I jump over you?
No, because if you land on my floaty, I'm going down. So is your phone.
I forgot to. Should I jump for this?
No.
Why?
That's kind of scary. Are you going to do a front flip if you do?
I'm just gonna jump.
Okay.
Ready? Ready?
Yeah. Oh shit. I can't get to you, so you might drown.
Okay, I'm gonna try to get back up. Well, I'm gonna let you. That was hard.
Literally, you could come here and surf. Are you gonna jump straight off? Clay?
What?
Are you jumping straight off?
It's gonna hurt. Jumping straight off.
Yeah.
I'll jump off the Should I try? I'll flip again, or was that crazy what I did last time?
You can try it. Maybe you'll go famous for the flip. I think there's a fish on my foot.
Oh.
Hopefully you can get to that. Hopefully, Clay, I can't. Clay, come on.
Now I gotta jump.
Clay, come on.
Ready? Wanna see how far I can jump?
Yeah. Oh, shit! Hey, you motherfucking soaked your phone. You soaked that shit. And me. You soaked us all.
Sorry about that.
Your phone should be waterproof though.
I want to give.
I wish you could record me, but you're on that.
Go back up.
No, I can't get back up.
Here, I can record you.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, you told me not to drop it, so you be careful.
My thing isn't getting wet.
Why are you so close?
Well, my thing isn't getting wet.
It's dropping.
Yeah, it's just
Okay,
dropping.
how does...
Getting wet. It's
Ah! Oh, no. Give me a second. I can't get my leg up. Okay, how does this look?
It looks like you're sleeping. Are you trying to get pictures?
Yeah.
Okay. So people can make more fake profiles of you on Instagram.
Shut up.
Be careful, please. Oh, no, carry it by the phone. Yep. Okay, you good?
Yeah.
Okay, here. I'm gonna slide this in. Hold on to that. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
So I'm not a really good swimmer, but I try to swim. So this is me attempting to swim. This is me. Right now, I am pedaling underwater, trying to stay alive.
That's called treading.
This is me. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready? This is me swimming.
Where'd he go, guys? Guys, I'm not gonna lie. You can't fake that. That was bad.
What?
No.
What?
Don't fake it.
No, I think something happened.
You know, you're scaring someone with a phone.
I can't see now.
When you get to me, be careful because one leg is farther than the other. Be careful.
I'm about to die.
Okay, be careful.
That was a lot of work.
Yeah?
Let's work for a year. Give me back my phone.
Be careful.
Hey,
Grab
phone.
it.
Got it.
Here, take a picture of us. Did you get it?
Ready?
You get it?
Hope so.
Hey, wait for me. Wait, and if you don't wait for me, there's gonna be consequences. Guys, I'm drowning right now. So scared.
Are you sure? Are you going?
Yeah. If you think it's too far, you can always zoom, right?
Yeah.
This is hilarious. What? Please, all your arms and legs are spread apart. It looked hilarious.
Ready?
Yeah.
Damn it. Oh, that hurt.
I feel like you're chickening out.
It hurt like a mother. Let me try one more time.
Guys. Clay, I'm floating away.
Okay. I'm just gonna jump. You ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna jump off this. Ready?
Yeah. Oh, I'm floating. Oh my God, there's a boat on us.
Oh, and they're recording. They definitely got my.
I hope I don't get hit by the boat. This is crazy.
You're looking at the boat. Can you see the boat?
Yeah.
I wish they got it like a bigger dock.
Higher?
Yeah, like taller. Like it just like stairs to go up.
Hey, do you understand I'm gone? I was all the way over there.
Hey, what's up, guys? All right, so we just got done at the beach. It was fun. There's actually more beaches
This is like a really cool place in Iowa.
Yeah, you can see it's the whole river, or what is it,
We
lake?
had those apartments.
We've been thinking about moving here, actually. It's
actually
not
really
that
nice.
far. It's like 2 hours away from where we are. Maybe a little
That
less.
is nice as hell.
And look, we're getting on longboards. Well, we did bring our bikes. It's in the car. I even refilled up the air in the tires, and one of the tires like broken. And I don't know why. That's a coincidence. Finally, when we want to ride our bikes, it's broken. But instead, we brought our longboards too, just in case, you know. And yeah, we're gonna go longboarding now. So let's go. Oh yeah, guys. So this is awesome. Like, first time I'm shirtless out in public. I mean, I've been shirtless out in public before, but not this long. Like, I've actually been shirtless for like an hour now, and I'm actually going in town, whatever. It is like 2 hours away from our place, so no one here knows who I am. So yeah, pretty happy that I'm confident enough to be shirtless right now. So yeah, that's awesome. Oh, we got another skateboarder. Hey guys, so where are we? We're at Gyro. Gyro is what it's called. And look, here's my cheeseburger. My cheeseburger costed $4.99 for a cheeseburger with no fries, no nothing, just a cheeseburger. Which this is pretty big though. It's pretty big. Yours costed $5.99. And she got a chicken sandwich. Can I show them really quick? She can take a bite out of it. So here's her bite. But she got $5.99 plus like $4 for fries and a drink.
But we're good.
But yeah, it's good. So we paid $15 for this meal, but hey, it's pretty good. And we got like a little slushy drink. It's slushy. It's good. So yeah. I love these fries so much.
This is all really good. I'm impressed. I feel like it's kind of still a fast foodish place, but like they do really good. They actually like take care.
And we're at a Mexican restaurant. We're one of those people that go to Mexican restaurants and order. I'm kidding. I would have ordered tacos, but it's like for street tacos, for 3 street tacos, it's like $12. That's without any sides, like just three tacos. I think that's a little too expensive for me, or else I definitely would have. I love street tacos, guys. Well, 100% I would have.
This is so good.
I'm not usually that kind of guy that orders a hamburger at a Mexican restaurant. Hell no, that's not me.
Cheeseburger.
Well, a cheeseburger, okay. You okay?
It's good.
Try my hamburger. Just bite it. There you go. Hey, that's a big bite. Thanks for eating half my burger.
Hey, that was bigger. Good, huh?
That's good.